Okay, with this 2003 1.2 Clio, we're just going to quickly show you a wiper test. Check the motor, what type of motor it is, and where it's at. Okay, first put the ignition on. If we zoom into here, the actual motor is under here. Where these two wires are going to. If you can see that, let's give you a better look. As you can see, I've got two wires. There's a filler bowl there. Lift this up. That's your motor under there and the two wires. Now with this motor, we've put a connector to both wires just to show you. It works one way, forwards and reverse. One way does the rear windscreen and one way does the front. So what I've done, we've connected two test lights. Doesn't matter, one's an LED, one's standard, but it doesn't matter. And they're both going to the battery earth. The other way. Okay, so just make sure we've got a good contact. What we're looking for is power. If we try and turn the wipers on, wash the wipers, you can see windscreen wipers going and the LED powering it. If we do the back ones, you can see the other one. And obviously no sound. No sound coming out of the motor, so we've got a dead motor. Here's a new motor. That's what it looks like. One goes to the front, one goes to the back. Wash plug on it, straight into the top of the water bottle. So what we need to do is take off this wiper. On a 13 socket, fuse it on a knuckle. Like that. It can flop about. It's a bit awkward to get into with the bonnet. We'll do that, in fact. What we'll do, we've got a bonnet to stay. We'll hold the bonnet up at this side. And move that arm off there altogether. And lift the bonnet right up. So, which looks good. Okay, so that's give us a bit more room with the bonnet. Now if you look, this is a handy little two puller we've bought, 2-leg puller. Down here it's all covered in white crud, so we can see that. Not really. Move that there. Not the easiest bit to get off. This is all plastic. Took a little clip out of here so it all moves about a bit freely. This under here. Get on top of your bolt. It's a little bit tight here with the plastic, but if you just persevere a bit, like so. And it felt like it coming off. Yep. Cracking little tool that. So lift this now. There's your wiper off. On top of the engine, away from the battery. If you lift this up now, windscreen a little bit, so what you need to do is just fingers under it. Just open up to about there. You don't want to take it all the way off because we're only taking this out. Just wiggle that wiper about. What we'll do is put a bowl underneath, put some water. Just wiggle that side to side, should come out fairly easy. See? And the water coming out. Take the clip off. And where we're focused. And there. Pull the bottom of the clip to take it off. Pull the wiper out. And what we need to do is get these off. And then to connect them back the same way. Best way is a little screwdriver. A handy pocket screwdriver. Your handy pocket screwdriver. Normally a good sign the pump's knackered and the water's full. Pop that one off. That was on the white. And then this one's on the black. Again, a little screwdriver underneath. Put your way into it, stretch the rubber a little bit, pop it off. That's the old one. Here's our new one. New one, you connect it the same way. Pop that on there. That on there. I think that's overspill. Full up. Doesn't seem to be going down, that's a good sign. So we just try it again now. It should wash the screen and we should see the test lights lighten up. Yeah, works lovely. And then so is the back. Super. As you can see, when it's on,